Oh boy, 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 oh boy. Order from James Ballentine is here. My wife's looking at me like, what the hell's wrong with you? She always gives me that look, though. Like, what the hell's wrong with you?
I already know.
Yeah. You hear her. Anyways, let's see what we got. Box from today. This stuff came for me last week, and the reason I'm showing it to you like this is because of this. He literally sends me 2 boxes. Goes to the post office, drops them both off, pays for them both at the same time. I get the Jeep. That's everything that's out of the box is a Jeep. Okay? I got that last Friday. This other box is floating around in the mail somewhere in Indiana. He's out west. Our the postal service sucks. It's not just our post office. Like, our post office is actually great. The local one here is great. Rock Falls, great. Dixon, great. Like, this whole postal service period is an absolute freaking joke. Like, it's just ridiculous. Anyways, that's another topic. Let's see what we got. By the way, he did say that this is the largest 3D print order he's ever had. So, and I believe it. So, my wife's sitting over there too. So let's just give her all the wrapping paper. There you go. That is going to be, what is that? I think that is, oh, looky, Suburban. I have been wanting to do one of those forever. Square body Suburban. Ew. Oh, by the way, that's the Jeep. We'll get to that here in a minute. I think that this goes with that. Right? No. That's a truck. That doesn't go with that. Or does it? Yeah, maybe it does. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Anyways. Look at my rat rod. Got a couple of them. Okay, we'll get over to the Jeep right now. This Jeep, he actually did one of these. It's on his site right now on his group. He did one that has a burnout, like it caught fire in the front. But yeah, he does great 3D print work, and now he's able to do like those Suburbans. Before he had to do like an F2 or a crew cab. He would have to do like the bed separate and then the cab separate. But now he said he can do 3 of these in one shot. So he has a lot of room. Here's all my rat rod seats. Good Lord. There's a lot of stuff here. Like I said, he said that this was the largest order he's ever had. So here's my visor. This is some good shit. I'm loving it. Look at those seats. That's gonna be sweet. Let's see what else. Oh, look at all those seats. Holy crap, I ordered a lot of seats. God, I forgot what all I ordered from him, to be honest. It's been so long, but this is also the biggest order. So, like, you know, it is what it is. What are these? Oh. Seats. Holy crap. Why did I order so many seats? Okay. F350 dually crew cab. Hell yeah. And that's the frame. Yeah, that's the frame. That's the suspension. All right. Here's my visors. Look at all those visors. I've got a lot of visors. Good Lord. Holy. Wow. Oh. There's the front grills. For some rat rods. Look at that. Holy crap. But wait, there's more. Rat rod frame. This is the other one that I got one of these actually. And now that I'm seeing it, I got one of these, but I broke it. And I think I got it from Iceman. Another rat rod frame. And there's more. There's the frame for the F350. Oh, you rewrote everything on there too. F350. Good Lord. That is it. Holy crap. Square body Suburban. 2 rat rods. All of this is the F350. Well, there's 4 bags here. Grills for the rat rod. Visors. Now I can finally finish wherever the hell I put it. It's under there. Can finish that one. All these seats. Good Lord. That's the Jeep XJ. Rat rod frame. These are bagged too. Not just in the bag, but they're bagged on the suspension. Yay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I've been waiting on that stuff for a while, though. But, I mean, there's a lot of stuff to print, or else I would have had it way sooner. So, now I can get on the Oldsmobile, get that done. And maybe start working on a rat rod. Yeah. I wanted to do one of those for a while. So, maybe I'll work on a rat rod. I don't know. I got so much other shit to do. All right, well, that's it for that video. I'm going to do an actual separate video on James, and we're going to talk, and I'm going to show you pictures of his stuff. But I just wanted to, show you guys everything that I got from him today. And, yeah, go check him out. It's that right here. See that? It's Wolf-pac Customs. And that's the guy. Okay, James Ballentine. Right there. So, get a hold of him. You want anything 3D printed. So, not trying to take away any business from anybody else, but that's my guy that 3D prints everything for me now. So, yeah, and it doesn't matter if he can find the file on it, he'll print it. That's it. It's not, well, do you have this in stock type of thing. If he has a file, he'll print it. So, yeah, he does a live every Sunday at 2 p.m. Central Time, too. He'll scratch build stuff. Me and him have a project that we're doing together. Rat rod, bigger rat rod. It's still a 1/24th to 1/25th scale, but it's on a semi-frame, bagged semi-frame he's going to make. So, yeah. Other than that, see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?